I have been talking about the future of video games, the future of content in general, and now we really see a glimpse into what that future can be. Google Research just released a paper that details their method for creating the game Doom in real time using a neural net. That means that this game was not pre-programmed. I cannot emphasize that enough. This game was not written in traditional coding languages. It is being created on the fly by a neural net. Let's watch a little bit more of this video because I really can't even believe what I'm seeing. So Doom is a game that came out, I believe in the 90s, one of the most popular games to port to every device possible. It's been ported even to calculators, and now we have a neural net powering it. Now what you're seeing here is truly the future of video games. The menu, health, the logic for how the game works, the reloading, absolutely everything is being rendered in real time using a neural net. And you can actually see a little bit of issues here and there. So obviously the zombie guy is kind of disappearing and then coming back. Some of these numbers in the bottom right are changing without really needing to change. So there are definitely some issues, but to look at what has been accomplished really blows my mind. So in the future, we are going to have video games delivered to an audience of one, just like we're going to have TV shows and movies delivered to an audience of one. That means that a neural net is going to be able to create any content we want simply by describing it, and it's going to be consistent. It's going to have all of the logic we need if it's a video game to actually play it, and we're basically going to be able to design any world that we want to play within. Now, taking this a step further into the future, a lot of people have discussed Sora by OpenAI and other neural network techniques for generating video as world simulators. And if you're not convinced that these models can be world simulators in the future, true world simulators, I don't know what's going to convince you. Interestingly, Elon Musk replied to this video saying Tesla can do something similar with real world video. That is fascinating. I'm not exactly sure what he's referencing, but as soon as there's more information, I will report it to you. I suspect that with all of the real world information that Tesla has collected from all of the vehicles on the road, they essentially can reproduce the real world using a neural net. So it's not actually there, but they're reproducing it anyways. That is a world simulator if I've ever heard of one.